Roll out. Roll out.
Make it hot. Come on. Let's go. Rock. Rock.
3 contestants, they get a minute each, and the first one up is
That hear you screaming, tired of the instruction, hunger and starvation. Tired to see them slave black man, tired to see them slave black woman. I never thought no one would see what is happening to you and me. Africans we want back home. Africans we want back home.
all right. Ross McConan.
3.
3. Chemical J is up next. Truck. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom.
Downtown, where you want new clocks, downtown, where you want cheap clothes, downtown, where you want my youth, yo, check it out, cheap and clean, yeah, cheap and clean, you deaf? Cheap and clean, yeah, anything you want, you take downtown. Hold on, inna the party, every man shot, pass me the cup, and no cop me a pop. Dragon and boom, we a floss inna that, plus couple bad bush, we a burning a. I know 14 carat, inna Miss J jeans and the watch match. Be a girl and pass and I say you think shot. True, she don't know, say I downtown, me shop, downtown. Where you want new clocks, downtown. Where you want cheap clothes, downtown. Where you want my youth, yo, check it out, cheap and clean, yeah. Cheap and clean, you deaf?
No, I'm not deaf. It's 4.5.
4.5. I wonder where
Me like
downtown,
that.
because I want a clocks for real.
Everything is down at town, Bridget.
Yeah, I want a pink clocks.
Come check me at work and we'll walk up.
Downtown,
Yeah.
downtown. Final contestant this morning, she's going to do a cappella. Her name is Crushy Boom. Oh, you're going to do that rhythm? No a cappella again. Here is Crushy Boom.
Stephanie Cation, Anne-Marie, Nerissa, Georgina, Shauna Lee, rest in peace. Look for the youths, Tambrin Farm and Horizon. Look for the youths, General Penitentiary and New Broughton. Look for the youths, Diamond Crest and Fort Augustus. Look for the youths. Oh, Amadel, I still remember the fire. You think prison life easy when you make a money up and no over squeezy. Enough man, I beat it on the cold concrete. Some a ball, some cave asleep. Prison food are the worst thing to eat. But me don't see it, what you sow is what you reap. More time, me have to laugh or a cry. Just a little living, but so many die. Boy, look for the youths, Tambrin Farm and Horizon. Look for the youths, General Penitentiary and New Broughton. Look for the youths. Boom, I crush the boom, says so.
Crushy Boom says so.
Crush boom. Ha, I'm going to give Crush boom a 3 as well.
Crushy Boom gets a 3.
Yes.
So according to our judge, Chemical J is the winner with 4.5. Are we taking in the calls here this morning? We're not. Are we? No, we're not taking the calls. So
Okay.
Chemical J will take us
Cheap
out.
and clean.
Yeah.
Y'all were great though, guys. Thank you very much.
Here's the Crushy Boom.
Yeah.
You enjoyed that go-karting thing, didn't
That thing was so peppy.
you? No, it's the cart that peppy. It's the driver.
If my foot was heavy and the cart was not peppy, it would not move.
Put your foot very heavy.
And the car is very peppy.
No, man,
And so it work
if
out.
it was a race, it would be easy, man. I see I fly around the car. One time I start move, and I feel it slide a little bit, and I say, hold on a little bit. You know. Can't take this crash thing this morning.
I enjoyed that.
It was fun.
Yeah.
It was fun. It was fun. And it's safe.
It
because
is.
the cart
It's
is
wide.
so wide and, low to the ground.
Fredy, man. You should have just... clever.
And then you never want to beat. And then you have a helmet and all that.
Yeah, that part was...
And that certainly they enjoy the mask over my
Yeah,
face. I'm still feeling the effects.
Do you know that, and even the helmet itself going on, if you're claustrophobic or it can really mess with your mind.
Can mess you up.
Yeah.
We have to go. Thanks again for watching. Tomorrow, 8 o'clock, Dwayne and Sakina. You'll see us on Monday at 6 o'clock. Have a
Cheap
great
and
weekend.
clean.
Yep.
Well, expensive and clean.
TVJ, tell your girls say cheap and clean.
Of course.
Who not say cheap and clean? Because sleep and dream. A chemical J. Downtown. A downtown, downtown. Where you want new clocks? Downtown. Where you want cheap clothes? Downtown. Where you want my youth? Yo, check it out. Cheap and clean, yeah. Cheap and clean, you deaf? Cheap and clean, yeah. Anything I want you is downtown. Hold on, inna the party, every man shot. Pass me the cup, and no cock me a pop. Dragon and boom, we are floss inna that. Plus couple bad bush, we are burning inna that. And no 14 carat. In a me straight jeans and the watch match. Be a girl a pass and I say you think shot. True, she don't know say I downtown. Me shop downtown. A downtown, downtown. Where you want new clocks? Downtown. Where you want cheap clothes? Downtown.